Oh ho ho! Look what just came in the mail. Can you guess what this is? Comment below. Comment below. You wouldn't want me to unbox this now, would you? Come on, come with me. You ready? I have been waiting for this for such a long time. So, damn, I need a knife. Shit. How to open this? You know what? I have an idea. Let me summon the power of the sea to open up the unboxing of the Go button. By the way, if you like Aquaman, also comment below. Give me a thumbs up. If you don't like Aquaman, also give me a thumbs up. Here we go. Let's see. All right. Boom, look at this. Check this out. Okay, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Da-da! Oh, a letter from Susan, CEO of YouTube. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement. Thank you, YouTube, and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. That's actually a name. That's awesome. So I want to read this out loud. Letter from Susan. Oh, it's actually personalized. So cool. You are bigger than Vancouver. Right? You are bigger than Venus. You are even bigger than Las Vegas. 1 million subscribers. Maybe you've imagined that day for a long time. Yes. And maybe you never thought that you would grow so big. Yes. Either way, not much can match the satisfaction of finding out that your creativity, that your ideas, that your voice speaks to 1 million people across the globe. We know that being able to touch the lives of so many people is reward enough, but we are incredibly proud of all you've done. So we hope that you accept this Gold Creator Award as a token of our esteem. With your track record, we suspect you're only going to keep growing, and we can't wait to see you reach the next milestone, 10 million subscribers. It may seem far away, but remember for the days when you were psyched to have 1,000? Yeah, I do remember. You have amazed us. Keep daring, keep dreaming big, and keep creating. You are the inspiration for everything we do. Sincerely, Susan. Awesome. Look at this. Check this out. Oh my God. It's actually quite heavy. It's like a whole metal. This feels like a metal. Wow. Let me open this up. Dun, 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 dun. There you go. I could not have done it without you, without your support. When we remember back then when we hit 100,000 subscribers, we set a goal and say we are going to reach 1 million subscribers together. And now we are here. Next milestone, 10 million subscribers, the diamond button. Predict, comment below, when do you think you and I, we will hit that?